Azad Bharat. It's not just a cinema. Of course, it's very close to my heart. But a journey, how much I've enjoyed thoroughly with every artist and the process. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ क्योंकि इतना अच्छा कंटेंट भगवान made me to do this film. I'm a philosopher, so थोड़ा इधर उधर I speak like that only भगवान के नाम से. When I started the cinema, I must thank the very first person, Rajeshri Chaudhary ma'am, who's a great granddaughter of Netaji. मेरे हर कदम में, हर जन्म में, and her struggle में while I was making this cinema, every time she told me, Rupa, don't stop, don't stop. You have to move on. So, though I had lot of troubles and problems, she motivated me to come till here. And फिर भी मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ because हर एक artist को choose करने में and also it was a destiny I believe. वैसे भगवान मुझे ऐसे लेके चला. As you people saw this, how you saw नेताजी का character by versatile actor श्रेयस जी, then I was thinking that किसको लेना है नेताजी के character में. हमारा one of the senior most journalist जी ज्योति वेंकटेश जी, he introduced me to श्रेयस जी because I was requesting him, श्रेयस जी से मिलना सर, मुझे appointment नहीं मिल रहा है. Then I tried to reach him so many times. बाद में finally I met him. Then he was asking me that why do you feel that I can play नेताजी का character? I was strongly feeling that his face we can mold like that. Of course, he's a versatile actor and he will get into any character if you give. So I'm a big fan of him. And when we met, then he later agreed with the narration and the story what I told him. See, this is a cinema. It's not a biography of somebody. It's about Netaji का पहला महिला आर्मी था रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट. So उसके बारे में and also of many unsung heroes के बारे में I wanted to bring back the story on big screen because हमारे आजकल के बच्चे लोग ना इतना होकर भी मोबाइल है, टीवी है, कंप्यूटर है, सब कुछ is there but still they say I'm so frustrated, I'm so irritated, भगवान ने मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिया. But तब they did not have anything. फिर भी at that teenage में they all fought for the country. उनका प्यार परिवार सब कुछ छोड़ के देश पे थे. वही एक मंत्र पकड़ के वो लोग सब कुछ छोड़ के देश के लिए काम किए थे. And also especially this Meera Arya character, she sacrificed so much. नेताजी के लिए देश पहले है करके she killed her own husband and they put her in a jail, they cut her breast, they throw her. Still she did not commit suicide. Still she did not come and say I'm depressed, I don't want this life. But still she survived and she was sitting at the roadside, she sold the flower and she survived independently. This is what my next generation has to learn. And इस cinema में, this is not just a cinema, like there are so many, not just leadership quality, patriotism, सब कुछ है emotions के बारे में. And here I would love to invite हमारा नेताजी. I always call him मेरा नेताजी. When I speak to Arun ji, ना मेरा नेताजी. हमारा नेताजी कैसा है। श्रेयस जी प्लीज, पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर यू, सो आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग ना, सो आप आ जाइए। सो छज्जू राम पर माय फिल्म में और एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है, वेयर छज्जू राम जी अडॉप्ट्स 4 चिल्ड्रन, बट देश के लिए सब लोगों को एक एक फील्ड में काम करने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं। He was a wonderful person. Even today you can Google search about Chajju Ramji. He has done many dharamshala, kuwa banaya, and also colleges banaya, and also he made many good things for society, and he used to support so many people like Bhagat Singh, Netaji, wo sabhi ko. He was an industrialist. And Chajju Ram के character के लिए when I was मैं ढूंढ रही थी, then I with so much of influence I could reach out हमारे प्यारे सुरेश ओबेरॉय सर, senior most person, because I was scared to talk to him initially. Then I used little bit of influence. Sir, central minister से उनको फोन करवा के then sir उनको बोलिए I will call him, वैसा वो सभी बोल के then I spoke to sir. But sir ना such a wonderful person, मुझे लुक टेस्ट करने का था, for that also he told me no रूपा जी आप मत आइए, मुंबई मत आइए, you should not waste your time, you should not waste your money. I will only come to Bangalore क्योंकि नेताजी के बारे में ये फिल्म है, I am willing to do. तो very first conversation में he accepted it, and I humbly request him to come on stage.
स्क्रीन पे जो मैं दिख रहा हूँ, it is all thanks to this lady sitting here next to me, रूपा जी, because जब पहली बार मुझे बताया गया था कि एक फिल्म कर रहे हैं और उसमें आपको नेताजी का किरदार करना है, तो I was just speechless, to be very honest. मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि मैं नेताजी जैसा दिखूंगा, उनके जैसा कुछ कर पाऊंगा। एंड व्हेन जब ज्योति वेंकटेश जी, इनका फोन आया था कि ऐसा फिल्म है, आप जरा भी, तो मैंने उनसे भी कहा था कि अरे ज्योति जी मैं कैसे लगूंगा नेताजी, यू नो, मतलब दैट पर्सनालिटी और मेरे में कोई सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है। एंड देन आई स्पोक विद रूपा मैम, और उन्होंने एक ही चीज कही कि अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, आपको थोड़ा भी डाउट है, हम एक छोटी सी लुक टेस्ट करते हैं, ओके, हमारे मेकअप के जो टीम है वो आके एक लुक टेस्ट करके आपको रेडी कर देंगे, उसके बाद में यू डिसाइड, यू नो, इफ यू फील कि आप जैसे लग रहे हैं तो यू डिसाइड। एंड जब हमने वो लुक टेस्ट की, जब पहले वो उन्होंने तस्वीरें खींची तो मैंने कहा अच्छा मैं देखना चाहता हूँ। जब मैंने वो फोटो देखा, आई वॉज ब्लोन, आई वॉज अमेज्ड कि वाकई में कैसे आप ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सकते हो। ऑफ कोर्स एज एन एक्टर यू नो दैट, यू नो, आपके पास कोई कैरेक्टर आता है तो आप उसको पढ़ते हो और आप इमेजिन करते हो क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं वगैरह वगैरह, बट अ पर्सनैलिटी लाइक नेताजी to portray that on screen was of course a huge opportunity for me. It was a huge responsibility. But when I saw myself the first time with that look, somewhere I felt confident कि नहीं, I think I can do it. Of course there's a lot of effort that you will have to put in, but अगर वो नहीं हो तो फिर मजा ही क्या है। तो वो, and of course रूपा मैम जैसी डायरेक्टर है who's going, you know, all the way to support you and encourage you and give you that confidence. So I think it is teamwork, जो हमें थिएटर में भी हमेशा से सिखाया जाता है कि आप अकेले कुछ नहीं करते हो, it is always teamwork. So I think it's thanks to the team, everyone put together, जिस तरीके के डायलॉग्स लिखे गए, जिस तरीके से मुझे डायरेक्ट किया गया, गाइड किया गया, I think वो जो आज दिख रहा है, it is all thanks to my director रूपा जी। क्या बात है, मैं कहना चाहूँगा, and personally I am so happy today because सुरेश जी शायद ये चीज़ भूल गए होंगे, but 90s की बात है जब हम कॉलेज में थे और विवेक एंड मी वी वर इन द सेम कॉलेज, वी वर इन द ड्रामा टीम टुगेदर, और जो आवाज की आज इतनी मेरी तारीफ हो रही है, वो आवाज को इंस्पायर करने वाले आज यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। तो जिनकी आवाज सुन के हम बड़े हुए और बोले यार ऐसी आवाज अपनी कैसी हो सकती है, तो जिसने आवाज पे काम किया, मुझे आज भी याद है, हम एक बार पूरी रात भर हम लोग कॉलेज में रिहर्सल करने वाले थे और विवेक ने मुझसे कहा कि मैं और एक और हमारा दोस्त था कि प्लीज घर पे चलना, पापा की परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी। तो बोला यार तू जा, हम उनके सामने कैसे आएंगे? नहीं तुम लोग साथ में रहोगे तो वो शायद अलाउ कर देंगे। तो हम उसके घर गए यहाँ पे, और हम सीढ़ियों से ऊपर जा रहे थे, और ऊपर से आवाज आई, मैं आज भी नहीं भूला वो, ऊपर से आवाज आई हरिओम, और सर नीचे आ गए थे, और हम देखे, हम दोनों जो दोस्त थे, मैं और जयदीप हमारा, हम दोनों पीछे खड़े हो गए कि भैया तू आगे बात करना जो भी बात करते। तो विवेक ने बात की, पापा ऐसे ऐसे, रात भर रिहर्सल, डाटा पागल हो गए हो, रात भर रिहर्सल, पूरे दिन भर रिहर्सल किया, इतने दिन से कर रहे हो, रात भर भी रिहर्सल करोगे, कल शो है, कैसे परफॉर्म करोगे, वगैरह वगैरह, तो तुम लोग को क्या कहना है? हम बोले आप सही कह रहे हैं आप जो कह रहे हैं सही कह रहे हैं। बोले ठीक है जाओ, लेकिन खाना खा के जाओ। सो वी हैड आवर फूड एंड देन यू नो विवेक के बड़े भाई जो थे उन्होंने हमको गाड़ी से कॉलेज में ड्रॉप किया। उसके ऊपर से भी विवेक को डांटा था, तब गाड़ी लेके जाओगे? विवेक ने कहा मुझे गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती, गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती So I cannot forget that. So thank you sir, it is such a pleasure today, you know that वो प्ले था, जब वो प्ले देखने सर आए थे, सर ने तारीफ भी की थी, एंड आज सर के साथ यहाँ स्टेज पर बैठा हूँ, आई थिंक इट्स a huge moment for me. Thank you sir, thank you so much for inspiring us all along. Thanks a lot.
Actually, I had seen many of his cinemas and as he said, उनका different getup में different दिखते हैं सर, किसी भी getup में he gets into that. But उनका eyes and this thing ना, we wanted to do that look test. So, but somehow like I believe in divine energy. तो मैं सोच के उनके पास गई, that it worked out very well. And उनका voice and everything, and I wanted a young Netaji who was in 1942 to 46 के अंदर, who is handling INA का, Indian National Army का रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट, who motivates all youngsters, and सभी महिलाओं को रानी करके बुलाते थे, whether हमारा फादर मदर रानी करके बुलाए कि नहीं, एटलीस्ट नेताजी used to call every woman रानी, so to motivate them. So somehow I felt that he can be the perfect person, and ultimately I believe in Paramatma, so he made me to be there, and everything happened like this, rightly.
वाह, रूपा ने कहा था कि किसी मंत्री से फोन करवाया था, तो मैं इनको क्लियर कर दूं कि किसी का फोन आया नहीं था। मैंने सिर्फ आपकी आवाज सुन के, आपकी सेंस ऑफ लॉयल्टी टू द नेशन देख के, और प्रोजेक्ट देख के, और आपकी मेहनत, आपकी शक्ति देख के मैंने आपको हाँ की थी, और उसी वक्त कहा था कि डोंट वेस्ट योर मनी एंड टाइम एंड कम ऑल द वे टू बॉम्बे जस्ट टू टेल द स्टोरी एंड फॉर ऑल दैट। यही पैसा फिल्म में लगाइए। उसके बाद किसी मंत्री के यहाँ से आया था, मैंने बोला ऑलरेडी बात हो गई है, ठीक है, क्लियर हो गई।
Yes sir, thank you.
तो किसी चीज का दबाव नहीं था, छज्जूराम का था। छज्जूराम मेरे पिताजी फ्रीडम फाइटर थे, आर्मी में होते हुए भी वो पटेल जी के साथ वहाँ चले गए थे, तो ही वाज थ्रोन आउट, लाइक उस जमाने में जेल जैसा, मतलब घर के अंदर ही रहना, बाहर एवरी वीक यू गो टू द पुलिस स्टेशन, लेकिन वो थ्रोन आउट टू पाकिस्तान, क्वेटा, बलूचिस्तान, आर्मी से निकाल दिया था। जब मैं सुना कहानी छज्जूराम जी की, तो मुझे पूरा पिताजी याद आया, किस तरह उन्होंने मदद की, कितने मंदिर, कितनी गौशालाएं बनाई, जहाँ जहाँ पाकिस्तान से जब इंडिया आए, हिंदुस्तान आए, वहाँ भी सबको। तो मैंने बोला ये तो बिल्कुल मेरे डैड की तरह है। मैंने कहा जरूर करूँगा। That's the answer for you.
Thank you sir. I know ma'am, you know like with her busy schedule, she has given her precious time to us because not just as a CM's wife, she's a social activist and she has done many good things to our society, and always, you know, when I try to talk to her for 2 minutes, also midnight 3 o'clock tak she'll be working only. Whenever I talk to Sandeep ji, they'll say that she's still there, but even at midnight 2 o'clock she picks up the phone and she talks. That is how she's dedicated to the society, and we are proud and lucky to have such good leaders in our society, that too a woman leader. When I wanted ma'am's divine voice, I had seen her Shivatantra Stotra का एक वीडियो है मैम का, that I had seen, and then I wanted Ma'am's divine voice in my patriotic cinema because ये नेताजी के बारे में कर रहे हैं. Then I tried to reach her through so many people, but again same thing like Sir. Later on I took Ma'am ka number. I directly contacted her. You know what? She called me to her home and उन्होंने मुझे खाना खिला के प्यार से बात करके again she told me this is for the country, this is for Netaji. I'm willing to sing a song. And that is how everything, how I was telling you people, the destiny took me to all the people. That is how Ma'am is here, a part of हमारा आजाद भारत के सिनेमा के लिए. And everyone we are contributing. It's only for Netaji and उनका how much they all struggled for the country. And वो Jan month is celebrated as his birth month. इसलिए January 2nd को through Z Studios से we are releasing it, and here I want to remember हमारा respectable Dr. Subhash Chandra ji. उनका भी like he's part of this cinema.
Wow.
And his father mother kept his name Subhash Chandra because they are fan of Netaji. Even how Sirji helped me with all these things, and we are all, you know, everyone नेताजी के नाम पर जुड़कर हम काम कर रहे हैं ना. This is for our next generation kids. They must watch this cinema करके. So I'm thankful to Ma'am and also for the press meet. She humbly came.
I feel that this should be free from the
Tax.
income entertainment tax. Honestly, why don't you do that?
We'll request for that.
Azad Bharat, which talks about the life of Neera Arya, is wonderfully you have played this character, Rupa ji. She's not just played this character, but she's also directed the movie, she's produced the movie. तो ये कितना मुश्किल काम है ये we all know कि एक तरफ अभिनय भी करना और दूसरी तरफ जाके डायरेक्शन भी देना, प्रोड्यूस भी करना. It's a Herculean task and you've done it well. Congratulations. I've sung this Indian National Army ka national anthem for this movie. It's my small contribution for my love towards Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ji, जिन्होंने yes definitely he lit the fire in the sky of independence, and he was the one who brought to existence the Indian National Army. And also his best contribution I feel was the Women's Army, जिसको हम रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट कहते हैं, जिसके बारे में इस मूवी में विस्तृत तरीके से बताया गया है. तो आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू मैम that you are bringing to light the forgotten voices, and in fact Neera Arya के बारे में तो we don't have any mention in the history also as far as I know. So you have got back voices which mattered in the freedom struggle. Thank you for that. And what time, right time to bring forth this movie to the audiences. 2nd of Jan you're coming with this movie, and नेताजी का जयंती बर्थडे भी तभी है 23rd January को. So we all can pay tributes to him for his devotion, for his sacrifice through this movie, by watching this movie and promoting this movie. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.
सूरज बनकर जग पर चमके भारत नाम सुहागा. जय हो जय हो जय हो जय 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 हो.
Thank you.
Wow. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Many times I must thank her because without seeing that who's the director, वो क्या कर रही है, वो क्या है, and without thinking anything, she accepted it, you know, only with the vibration and my energy and my passion देखकर, patriotism देखकर, and also ये नेताजी के बारे में कर रहे हैं, women army के बारे में कर रहे हैं करके, that shows her, you know, the leadership quality and humbleness. And I'm extremely lucky. मैं पहले ही बोल चुकी थी ये, मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ. हर एक आदमी को हर एक सेलिब्रिटीज को इस फिल्म में ऐसे लाकर ये फिल्म बनाना, भगवान ने मेरे डेस्टिनी में ऐसे लिखा था, तो it happened. I'm thankful to you, ma'am, and also after that also she's been supporting me. Like I requested ma'am, मैं press meet कर रही, ma'am आपको ये करना है नेताजी के लिए. Then she said yes, I will come. See, many people we have to request them 100 times, but with ma'am, for Netaji, for Desh Pehle Hai, we always use that mantra. No, she also says Desh Pehle Hai. देश के लिए नेताजी के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. तालियां goes to all of these people. Without them, I couldn't have done. Because in every struggle and every step में ना, I was telling नेताजी के great granddaughter ma'am how she stood and helped me, motivating. Not they need not have to be with me physically, but they motivated me to finish the cinema. Go Rupa, go ahead, do. The same way ma'am also, she never said no to anything, whatever we asked for, because it's a patriotic cinema. And the same way Shreyas ji, whenever I requested for a date, I used to trouble Arun ji. Though he was so busy, he accommodated everything. And Suresh ji के बारे में मुझे बताना नहीं है. While we were shooting, he fell down, ulta fell down. But it started bleeding. But still he told me, Rupa ji, आपको पैसा waste नहीं करना है, shooting बंद नहीं करना है. We were worried because of his age and all. He fell down ulta like this. Then still also he told me, I'll finish the shooting and then I'll go take the train. So, see, I was running around somewhere, but before starting he did that. Look at his character. So I felt I'm very lucky. मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ really, because ये सभी लोगों से मुझे मुलाकात होकर ये फिल्म जैसा एक always I say instead of studying 20 books we should see one cinema, because I've done lot of research by meeting real INA veterans. माधवन जी, मीनाक्षी अम्मन जी एंड सरस्वती मैम, वो सभी से मिलकर ये स्टोरी बनाई मैंने. एंड दिस इज अ रियल इंसिडेंट्स बेस्ड सिनेमा है. एंड आई वांट माय नेक्स्ट जनरेशन पीपल टू वॉच दिस फिल्म, बिकॉज टू लर्न लीडरशिप क्वालिटी एंड पेट्रियटिज्म एंड लीड एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ. इसलिए मैं इतना प्यार से बनाई हूँ. बट आप सभी लोगों का प्यार और आशीर्वाद ना, इट विल बी देयर विद मी फॉर एवर. एंड हमारा DSC सर Dr. Subhash Chandra sir is in US, but he has sent his wishes, ma'am. I've told Sirji that he will be here, and Suresh ji and Shreyas ji will be here, okay? But in next press meet may he be here. But he also helped me and blessed me by playing my mentor role in the film. So I'm thankful to all these people, and I'm thankful to my producers also. Like when I was struggling to go ahead, they all supported me. I'm thankful to all media people. Always you people motivated me in every step, because I am a journalist. I know that how much it means a lot, even the public opinion and everything, because I have made a film. But again, to reach out my next generation people, you are the medium. So आप लोगों का help चाह रही हूँ मैं. Please, you have to support us and you have to take this message to the public and be a bridge between Netaji, not for Rupa here, for Netaji's content to the public and next generation children. Thank you all.
Rupam, my name is Surya from Bollywood Crazies. My question to Rupam, you, what made you choose this subject and this stellar cast? Tell us about that.
Actually, if you see my past films, always I've made socially conscious films. When I was working in New York, I came back to India. I started my trust and all for HIV infected children only. I made my first cinema. All my cinemas have won state awards and international awards. Always I choose a subject which are related to the society and socially conscious cinemas. But ये cinema, basically I'm a very patriotic person. So that is how it is interconnected. What Chanakya says that to become a leader you should have a philosophy inside you. So वैसे my philosophy, and when I look at my next generation people and when I run a charitable trust and looking at prison inmates and remand home kids and other people and the society, I felt that people should have social responsibility, one thing in the next generation, and also they should have patriotism, and everything goes hand in hand spirituality में. That is how when I came and when I met Netaji ka great granddaughter ma'am and INA ka veteran people, and when I heard about Neera Arya ji ka story through public में, I started researching on that content, and it took literally 3 years for me, क्योंकि all these characters including Chajju Ram ji का एक book में नहीं मिलता है, एक media में नहीं मिलता है. So we had to do all those things, and also in many places जैसे Neera Arya को काला पानी में they had put. No, it's not there. I went to Kala Pani and I searched किस का नाम है INA का. So we had to search the real place where and all they had put INA people. So इसके पीछे बहुत सारे काम था, but I started started crying while writing the script only, and every dialogue where Netaji says that तुम काली का स्वरूप हो, तुम्हारे अंदर ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है, वो सभी while writing only, I felt that how much Netaji used to motivate everyone, because आप लोग जानते हैं उस समय में, as I said, there was no WhatsApp and mic and programs ऐसे करके चलो चलो हम लोग लड़ेंगे देश के लिए. But I don't know how Netaji formed the army in 7 countries. He went and he called all youngsters. Youngsters left their वो शादी के right time पे they left everyone and they came to the army and they fought for the country. ऐसे हिम्मत only नेताजी में थे. So that force only might have forced me to do this cinema.
There's a lot of actors have previously accepted the role of host.
I think more than being compared with other actors, it is the responsibility of playing a towering personality like Netaji on screen, which was paramount in my head at that point in time. And I think when you have a director like Rupaji, who is so passionate about the subject, who is so passionate about those characters, it makes your job relatively easier, because you completely surrender yourself to a director like that, and you just follow her directions. This is how I want you to portray. This is like when she said कि तुम काली का स्वरूप हो, पूरे ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है. The way she would motivate us at that point, नेताजी, आप नेताजी है और आप हमको मोटिवेट कर रहे हो, तो आप कैसे कहोगे? ये सीक्वेंस ऐसा है, रानी झांसी रेजिमेंट की स्थापना हो गई, आप कैसे करोगे? So I think obviously उनके मैनरिज्म्स है, उनका जो बोलने का तरीका है, वो हम मैच करने की कोशिश करते हैं. We try to reach as close to that personality as possible. हो सकता है हमसे कुछ गलतियां वहाँ पे हो, but at least the intention is right कि हम कोशिश करें. And जब वो spirit सही हो, तो मुझे लगता है वो काम लोगों तक पहुँचने में ज़्यादा आसान होता है. कि instead of trying to just match कि अच्छा ऐसे होंगे, उससे better मुझे ये लग रहा था कि I have to make sure that I get the spirit right of नेताजी. कि उन्होंने कैसे, जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि 7 कंट्रीज में अगर आर्मी फॉर्म करनी है, लोगों को साथ में लाना है, इकट्ठा करना है, फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में उनका सहयोग चाहिए, लोग शादियां छोड़ के, घर छोड़ के, बच्चों को छोड़ के अगर उनको ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं, तो उनमें ऐसी क्या ताकत होगी, उनके स्पीचेस में, उनके बोलने में क्या ताकत रही होगी कि जिसको सुन के लोग वहाँ चले आते थे. तो I thought I have to get that spirit of that character right. If I do that, then probably for me, I will feel that I have done something useful in the film. And yes, Baki, of course, with your makeup, with your costumes, with your other things and accessories, you try to look like him as much as possible. But I think if you don't get the spirit right, then everything goes for a toss.
I'm extremely happy he'll be there forever in different Sambhavami Yuge mein, how Krishna says. Like that voice will be there in all of us and baad mein bhi rahenge. But that you are talking about Poonami Baba ji ka na? Maybe like, I don't know, that somebody has to do the research. But I feel very happy, unka energy is there in all of us. So that is what is moving us to do everything with lot of struggle and problems. Whatever came in front with me, even with the cinema, so many people that put a case, so many people they came and inquired and they did all these things. But still we did not stop. ऐसे जाके now we finished and it is releasing. See, everything came on place. We are releasing in January only. I never planned anything. His energy is pushing. So I'm thankful to
क्वेश्चन टू अमृता मैम, आपको जब गाना ऑफर हुआ था, तो आपने किस तरह से उस पर रिएक्ट किया? क्या आपको थोड़ा वक्त लगा इसके लिए, या फिर किस तरह प्रिपरेशन हुआ, अगर उस बारे में बता सके आप?
After it was offered to me, मैं मैम से personally मिली, and I have a protocol. I have to get it approved for the finances which are coming in, or direction, production में कौन है. I have to clear the names through the protocol. But I was quite sure that I had to sing. That's why I went to the protocol, because we know Netaji, he lit the sky of the fire of independence struggle. तो वो तो करना ही था हमारे नेताजी के लिए, जो आज भी जैसे मैम ने बोला एक एनर्जी बन के अपना ही एक अंश है. So that motivated me to go ahead with madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good evening, Rupaji. My name is
Country, once you see this, watch this film, and then it empowers us, especially the children today. If they come to know that this is my country, then they'll be proud of the country. You know, they should know the stories and incidents. तो सुनकर उनको शक्ति मिलेगी, हाँ मेरा भारत है, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ दिस कंट्री। मैंने मेरे देश की कहानी है। जब एक फायर एक लेडी ऐसे कर सकती थी, मैं क्यों नहीं? यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग शुड बी देयर। नहीं तो लोग तो सारा दिन टीवी पे और न्यूज़पेपर में क्या दिखाते हैं, बेकार की कंट्री है, गरीब लोग हैं, भूखे मरते हैं। सो देयर माइंड्स आर ऑलरेडी पोल्यूटेड, करप्टेड बाय ऑल दिस नॉनसेंस। तो ऐसी चीज़ें उनको, इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि ये फिल्म ऐसी एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्सेस माना करके ऐसी फिल्में स्टूडेंट्स को और कॉलेज को दिखाना चाहिए। दिस इज फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन। जो चले गए बड़े तो चले गए, लेकिन जो आने वाले उनको तो मालूम होना चाहिए ना।
जेन ज़ी, जेन एक्स सबको बोलना चाहूँगी कि जो फ्रीडम मिला है हमको, that's not a gift. It has been a result of the toil, the bloodshed and sacrifice of these people who have laid down their lives for our nation. तो वो जज्बा आप में रखिए and always keep nation first before anything, so that we remain independent.
Initially when I started my speech, I told na how these days का children they give reasons and excuses for everything. सब कुछ है फिर भी वो लोग बोलते हैं मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, भगवान ने कुछ भी नहीं दिया. So I want them to, because I've been closely working with all these kind of special children. So मेरे अंदर भी ये था patriotism, but still you know this is like a sugar coated pills. So cinema medium is a powerful medium. Youngsters should go through this, and I want them to lead an independent life, as I said in the beginning itself. छोटे छोटे के लिए and they get into video game में चले जाते हैं, they commit suicide, they become vulnerable. वो सभी ऐसे strong व्यक्तित्व होना चाहिए उन लोगों में that मुझे कुछ भी आ जाए मैं जिंदगी में I'll lead my independent life. नीरा आर्या का वही तो एग्जाम्पल है. वो रोड साइड बैठ के फूल बेच के she survived and she finished her complete like 94 years, 96 years तक. तो ये she did not say oh मुझे मर जाना चाहिए, क्यों है जिंदगी, ऐसा negative things they should not talk. तो इसलिए ये सिनेमा पूरा देखकर one is motivated by नेताजी, one is by चज्जूराम जी, one is by नीरा आर्या, one is by the patriotism. ये सभी it's a package, everything. So that is the reason I have done. I'm thankful to our High Court advocate is here, Pradeep Jain ji and Nalini ji. आपका टीम को धन्यवाद. And in between our meeting, thank you ji.
Hello Suresh ji, one question for you.
Giving away lands, properties, helping schools, colleges, gaushalas. How much he was the first person to not to be against the Congress government in Hyderabad.
Okay, Suresh ji, one question for you. How do you feel when
I feel blessed that in this lifetime I got an opportunity to portray personality, a covered personality like Netaji on screen. You know, and I genuinely want to keep thanking Rupa ji again and again for this, because I don't know who else probably would have thought of making me play Netaji on screen. So when you play, obviously you get to know about that person, you study about that person, and to Amrita ma'am very rightly said that all of us and the next generation, they need to know that ये जो freedom हमें मिला ये ऐसे ही नहीं मिला. Okay, कभी-कभी तो भूल जाते हैं लोग बहुत सारी बात. But the generation and us, we need to keep reminding ourselves again and again that there were people like Netaji जिनके वजह से आज हम ये दिन देख पा रहे हैं. And secondly, I think when you see the film, you realize that you need one person to inspire and motivate you. Are you that person?
Wow. Very well said.
And जैसा आपने कहा कि साफ गाने हैं इसमें, तो हमने ट्रेलर में सुने कि मैडम ने बड़ा अच्छा गाना गाया. तो इनमें से कोई दूसरा गाना भी गा रही है मैडम?
एक ही गाना.
एक ही next film I want her to act also.
बाकी भी मेरी
Requested ma'am.
एंड रिकॉर्डिंग आपने कितने दिनों में कंप्लीट की थी?
मन का एक ही दिन. She is a professional singer, no? तो एक ही दिन में किया था. Yeah, she just learned how to get into the
ये खड़े होके क्यों जा रहा है यार, ये समझ के बाहर जा रहा बंदा.
heard the scratch of that song, and then she got me to Yashraj. I went to Yashraj और हमने within an hour वो record कर लिया था song. देखिए उसकी tune we all know. The tune is जन गण मन. Tune याद करना तो था ही नहीं, सिर्फ words थोड़ा ध्यान में लाने थे, which was easy for me.
Right. One last.
यहाँ पर भी होती है वो चीज हमेशा से छा जाता है, तो क्या लग रही है गाना कितना लोगों तक पहुँचेगा, कितना लोगों को पहुँचेगा?
See, we are not behind all those things, ma'am. Passionately, she has given her heart and soul for the cinema, and especially this kind of patriotic cinema. It is always related with
दादा बैठ जा दादा.
तो कितने लोगों को पहुंचेगा, वो क्या होगा commercially? We are not at all worried about all these people here. Whoever is sitting, passionately we have made this project. Thank you.
Yeah, आप जितनों को पहुंचाएंगे उतना पहुंचेगा. You should do it for Netaji and for her spirit.
Yes, and it's already on Zee Music.
And for the same way, we have made the film with passion and love and whatever we have towards Netaji, INA and Women Army and towards Neera Arya वो सभी. So I'm not behind any. See, formally we are releasing to Zee Studios and Zee Music and everything. Zee is supporting us because they are also fan of Netaji. It's not commercially we are looking at these things. But my motto is to reach out my next generation and youngsters to learn something from this, so that they will lead a better life, strong life. That's all. It's not commercially. Rupaiah has to become a rich person, or he has to become a rich person. He has to. It's not the motto. That is the reason I did a research. Even every dialogue, what we say here, and everything. So it motivates my next generation.
So are you
I think at the end of the day, it is the story that connects with people. If you find the story relatable, if you find the character relatable, then every story connects. If you don't, then the story doesn't connect. It is as simple as that. Like Rupaji very rightly mentioned that we've done it with a certain intention that she wanted to reach out to the younger generation so that they get to know what that story is about Netaji, about Neera Arya, about Indian National Army, about Rani Jhansi Regiment and all those things. So as long as we are successful in that intention of ours to reach out to those people, if we're able to do that, I think we probably have achieved what we set out for. So we've done it to the best of our ability. Now it is up to the audience to eventually see it and decide for themselves.
The audience. It is their responsibility also.
We will do our best.
The ball is in your court.
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने हमारा बेस्ट किया, अब मीडिया को करना चाहिए ना, देश के लिए.
Rightly said by Suresh.
Humble request, yeah. That is what. That is the reason I've made it in Hindi, because Netaji is larger than life. He doesn't have any limitation to one geographical area. He's bigger than all these things. So that is the reason I wanted to reach out करके कि मैं South में करती थी till now. So that is the reason I came here and I did it in Hindi. पूरा देश को, पूरा world को पहुंचाना है इसलिए.
Good, thank you.
Now will we see you in this role? Better, Netaji Subhash Chandra. So, I mean, that thing, how you will take it? Like, so much in our mind it is that role. Your images we are having that type of.
Which one you're talking about, Iqbal? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
comic and.
Oh, comedy films. Okay, yeah.
I think we are very
No, so I guess every actor lives for a day like this when he gets to play something new, something challenging, and I don't think this can get more challenging than that. So for me as an actor, when I wake up every morning, I look forward to the day only if there is something new that I have to perform. Otherwise, it's the same routine, and the reason that I'm in this profession is because I get to live so many lives every day. So yes, the journey has been quite fantabulous with a lots of ups and downs, but some really memorable films, memorable parts, and I'm glad the kind of love that people and all of you have given me for so many years. I cannot really repay it back, but the only thing I can request is there's one more opportunity from me. In front of you, I would really like it if you can just go and watch it and give it your love so that more people come and watch the film. तो मैम सभी करते हैं, मतलब हर एक्टर मेहनत करता है, बट मुझे लगता है कि वो स्पिरिट लाना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था। जब तक वो हमारा सही नहीं हुआ, हम तब तक रिहर्सल करते रहे, और जब रूपा मैम को लगा कि नहीं अब करेक्ट है, then we started shooting. So
No, he is a versatile actor. मैं करेक्ट करके इतना बड़ा आर्टिस्ट को he himself he did everything. It was easy for me actually. He had seen all Netaji का black and white का videos है, even how to shake hand, how to do this, his manners, his behaviors, everything he had seen. And मैं as a director, because मुझे नीरा आर्या का क्या करने का था, वो मॉडर्न ड्रेस का वो भी करने का था, and also डायरेक्शन करने का था. So he never troubled me. He only did his homework and he became Netaji with every dialogue.
Wow, wow, wow. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for
INA का NCC का more than 500 real cadets they came and participated in the shooting. Every dialogue of Netaji they used to clap there only. So they used to feel that okay, Netaji is motivating us really. So that is where we realized we are seeing the real Netaji. Yes sir.
हमने मनोज कुमार की काफी फिल्में देखी,
हाँ
उसके बाद में काफी ब्रेक आ गया,
हाँ.
तो अभी मुझे लगा कि यार उसी मनोज कुमार आप आएंगे, और ये कब तक रहेगा, और ये फीलिंग आपके अंदर कैसे उठा पाए?
क्या बात।
I'm thankful to मेरा Z team also. Everyone they have put lot of effort to do this successful event. And आप सबको ना, you have come here and you felt happy ना. That is, see again energy is transferring here. Because so many people they comment and they say negative things वो सभी, but आप लोग इतना मन से you people are telling me that it was really good, it is really good. तो whatever the effort I had put on, every day I used to cry in the sets. Only Arun ji and Shreyas ji has seen. Every day shooting में मैं रोती थी. And इतना काम करके करके even सुरेश sir has seen. तो उसका everything इकट्ठा करके it has become आजाद भारत, a story of नीरा आपके सामने है. And now I need your support and help. Please take it further. It's your cinema.
Wow.